Assalamualaikum dan selamat sejahtera. I'm Muhammad Razif Hakim and my friend is Muhammad Zulfan Sazwi from Group 4. We want to present about case study assessment. The product what we get is tower stand. So the name of welding is oxyacetylene welding. Reason we choose this because oxyacetylene gas welding is generally used for welding and cutting operation for metal and alloy. Second, initial cost of setting up may be low, but in the long run, due to constant process of gas cylinder, the operational cost become high. Human acceleration. Number one, cylinder. Steel pressurized cylinder contain oxygen and the fuel gas. Number two, regulator. The flow of gas need to be controlled. Regulator take high pressure and reduce it to a lower working pressure. Number three, hoses. A non-porous hose is used to move the oxygen and fuel gas to the touch to prevent the wrong hose from being installed. The oxygen hose is usually green and the fuel gas hose is usually red. And number four, hose fitting. Oxygen hose have right hand threaded fittings, and fuel gas hose have left hand threaded fittings. And number five, safety valve. Safety valve keep the flow of gas going in one direction, preventing gas from flowing back into the wrong line or cylinder. They also reduce the possibility of a flashback. And last, torches. Torches may vary in design, but all are meant to provide complete control of the flame. Next, I want to give to Ahmad Zulfan Sazwi.
Okay, question B. Type of joining the circle joining area. From this picture product tower stand, I have marked the part that we use gas oxyacetylene. Next, we will go to question C. Safety precaution before start, in between and after the welding work. First, safety precaution before start welding work. The point first is wear personal protective equipment before starting work. Number two, wear fully covered shoes, rubber sole while working. Number three, inspect machinery before starting work. And then the safety precaution needs in between welding work. First point, do not joke about using sharp and hot tools when performing a task. Point number two, not careless when performing tasks. And the point 3 is giving full attention while performing tasks. The question number 3, safety precaution after welding work. Number 1, store sharp tools in a suitable place that can cause injury. Point number 2, ensure that the machine switch to perform welding work is properly closed. And the last point, the place where tools are stored must be appropriate to the situation, such as not storing flammable tools in a place close to full. Question D. Step for starting the product welding. Number 1. Open the oxyacetylene valve rack on the body blow part about 4 rounds. Number 2. Use a welding lighter to light a flame blower. Number 3. Adjust the flame until the black smoke decrease. Number 4. Open the oxygen valve blue on the compressor body slowly until the inner cone on switch a greenish putty is obtained.
Question number 3, discussion. First, for the advantage of using selected type of welding. Number 1 is oxyacetylene welding easy to learn. Point number 2, welding can be done outdoor. And point number 3, the equipment is cheaper than most other type of welding rings. And lastly, Oxyacetylene welding is useful for household repair or project.
Second, for disadvantage using select type of welding. Number 1, oxyacetylene welding is not suitable for some metals. Number 2, requires almost care. Number 3, oxyacetylene equipment can be bulky. Number 4, oxyacetylene weld line are much rounder in appearance than other kinds of weld. Sekian, terima kasih.